How big is it?
48 inches. 2 Rockstar speedboats from Pro Boat behind us, gas powered. Everett, welcome back.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
We'll open it.
I filmed something called The King of Shaves a while back.
Can't really tell you guys the size comparison to this boat, but it is huge.
And it was a 50-inch gas-powered boat. What?
That was sexy, that boat.
Yeah. It was an amazing boat. To have a gas-powered boat on the show was awesome. So I had to order one. And so I got mine, and in a few days, you ordered one.
I had to.
And so we figured we'd do a dual unboxing for you today. Yeah? Shall we unbox it?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I'm dying to see what this looks like.
Come on! Oh, nice.
Oh, that's better looking than I thought it was going to be. Wow.
We wanted to do an unboxing video like this so you could get an idea of the size of the boat. How tall are you?
6'1".
Yeah, 6'1". I'm 5'10". So,
wow.
Nice.
Yeah. That is impressive. Oh, look, it's got a power switch right on the top, eh?
Oh, yeah. The stop switch for the motor. Or engine, I should say.
Yeah.
Gas powered
You've been told.
Yes.
2S battery.
Nice.
Good. And then big servos
How long?
inside there.
How long?
5200 mAh.
52.
Yeah, 15C for the receiver. Yeah, for the servos and receiver.
Sure is packaged well.
Yeah, how are you getting it? Like, oh, it needs to like.
Yep.
Looks like it needs to come out with its foamies.
Yep. Here's on the end. And right in behind the foam. So how are we going to tell each other's boat apart?
Yeah, I'm definitely going to alter mine after today.
Yeah. Wow. Wow, that has some weight to it.
Wow, nice.
Some assembly required, it looks like, eh?
Just glinting in the sun. Dude, that is gnarly. Rockstar!
Ooh, man, that is sexy, eh?
Yeah. Dun 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 dun.
Love these exhaust ports.
Yeah, they really went the extra mile.
Yeah, isn't it like, oh, that's like the craftsmanship and the quality of the metal feels really nice. Shall we go inside?
Yeah, I see there's breather ports here. Actual mesh. So
Oh, that's weird. That's interesting.
that's to reduce any kind of parachuting going on. Why? What's up?
Oh, just these,
Yeah, they're on springs.
Yeah.
Very neat. Here we go. Look inside.
Ooh, that's cooking hot from the sun.
Wow. Just taking a moment to appreciate what we're seeing here. Here's the easy removable battery tray that everyone was talking about.
Sure, easy, yeah.
Pull start. Time to check out the instruction book, eh? How dare you say that? Can't believe you said that on camera. Pretty awesome.
Can't wait to see what it's like to have a clutch in a gas boat. I've never had one with a clutch before.
Yeah, same with the King of Shaves there. He didn't have a clutch either. So no really sitting and idling, I suppose, eh?
Well, you need water to... Yeah, you don't want to let them idle. You need to keep water moving through the cylinder head, through the tubes.
Amazing. So coil.
Yeah.
So obviously the pull start. Here's the carburetor for people that don't know.
I wonder what carburetor's on there.
High and low. Yeah, I don't know. Hard to see.
No choke, you guys will notice.
Yeah.
No air filter.
Yeah, nice. Don't want to be sucking
Nice
water
tuned
in there.
exhaust.
This thing,
It even looks like it's water cooled right there.
Yep, it's totally water
Oh,
cooled.
it's even cool the exhaust, it looks like.
Nice.
I don't know, I've never seen anything like this. It's my first time.
Cool.
My other ones were not as advanced and new.
Yeah, nice. Gas tank right over there. Should do a catwalk when it's nicely broken in. And from what I understand, the break-in process is to run them.
Run them.
Yeah, okay. So, awesome.
So charge up the battery.
Let's get them batteries going,
Let's
eh?
go.
Mixing the gas.
Mixing the gas.
25 to 1, 24 to 1.
25 to 1, yeah.
Yeah, pretty much same thing. Premium gas and two-stroke oil. Dun, dun, dun.
Maxima Caster 927.
Very nice. Cow RC in the house as always. Keeping our gear running good.
Well, that's ready.
Yep, let's pour it in.
So in 20 minutes when we're finished,
Hey, we need to do the assembly, we need to do the maintenance. The prop shaft on both have been removed, fully greased, oiled, ready to go. And with the gas being mixed up, that's all we got to do is make sure those batteries are at full charge that run all the electronics. And
look at the size of the tank
should
in
be
there
good
though,
to go.
eh?
Yeah, you're still pouring, dude.
I'm about to stop here.
Nice job.
Look at that sucker. That's a huge boat.
I don't know, it's kind of little. Probably should get a bigger one.
I can smell the gas.
Yeah, I know.
Man, this boat is not light.
Cool. Who does this? Why are we walking like this?
Oh my god. Hey, stop.
Well,
I don't think anyone can grasp how heavy that machine is with the gas in it as well.
it's kind of like awkward is all, really.
Yeah, it's awkward weight. Still awesome.
All right, there we go.
What a great day to try these out.
Yeah, that'd be got that screwdriver?
Same stall time. Break-in period. Nice. Break-in time, slowly. You gotta go slow, first half a tank. Gotta let everything seat itself properly. Get lubed up. Yeah, we're gonna need the recovery raft.
I didn't take my canopy clothes
Well, let's see if I can get mine started. Hold on, hold on.
Mine's full throttle, man. It ain't going anywhere.
Motor break-in or engine break-in for some may be boring, you know, because we got to go slow and make sure everything's good, and you know, but it's completely necessary if you want your engines to last a long time. You got to break them in the right way. So a nice pleasant cruise on the pond. It handles pretty darn good. I'm very happy with the stability of it. Everett's driving his right now, of course. Wanted to give you an up-close view at it, kind of hitting the water. And his engine is going strong. No stalls or anything yet. Hopefully I didn't just jinx him. Looking good. Engine sounds fantastic in that pipe. I can hardly wait until the engine's completely broken in and these things are rippers. Gonna have to set up a course out here, get some boat racing going. Nice. So what do you think?
I think awesome needs tuning.
Yeah, mine totally needs tuning too, and not even first tank yet. Not even half a tank.
Yeah. 15 minutes.
You know, 15, yeah, about that.
Let it cool down, rip again.
That's exactly what I was doing, letting her cool down.
better tuning. It's a pretty cool boat.
Cool. Yeah, not far.
All right, so yours was running a bit slower, eh?
Yeah, it's a little sluggish.
Ah, but
Needs a tuning.
that's braking for you, hey? Plus a brand new engine for us to learn about. Sweet. No idea what the carb is. Look at, I can see some air bubbles in there. It's just probably doing a bit of a lock, eh? Sucking it back in there. Dun 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 dun.
Yeah, I wonder
Feeding
what kind
itself.
of carb it is.
I'm sure the instruction manual says something.
Oh, for sure.
So you used about a half a tank on that run.
Yeah, maybe a little more. It was really rich.
Okay, yeah, so was
Yeah.
ours. Mine was spitting it out.
Yeah.
Oh well, that's
I
cool.
noticed.
Yeah.
You see that on the bottom? There's a it's another water pickup, which goes. Where's that go to?
Right there on the other side of the pipe.
Looks like it's for the exhaust, but it's on the bottom.
Where? Oh yeah, here.
Yeah.
Another thing the instruction book will let us know.
Not just out of the mud-filled rudder.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
the mud in that hole in the mine.
Oh, that's okay. I still
Pretty
enjoyed
awesome.
it. Hey,
You guys opened these up and forgot the instruction manual?
wow, we
Instructions.
looked on how to maintain the
mean,
boat, you know.
We were like, I didn't take
and,
the flex
and I
shaft
was
out, and
like
that's,
page
Yeah,
12 or something, so it's boat,
Boat.
fast, fun.
Go, gas, fuel, good, gone.